Yo, what's poppin', peoples? It's your host of M Toast TV, Mac on deck, baby. Coast to coast customs. Anyway, y'all already know what it is. You know what I mean? It's hump day. Tomorrow's Friday Eve. And I got some clips for y'all. You know what I mean? I got some clips. I don't know what type of clips you got. But if you got some clips, roll up. You know what I mean? Light up. Smoke. Do what you're doing. You know what I mean? I got clips and I got sips. I got my little wine going. And that's it. Y'all got some stuff for y'all. Anyway, it's way past 30 seconds, so we gonna get right into it. This dude right here, just watch the security guard, man. That's all I gotta say. Watch the security guard. I'm talking too much. It's the wine, but it's fine. Let's get to it.
Nobody's getting their money. The fuck? I've been out here this whole fucking flow, this whole fucking shit. Ain't nobody getting their fucking money. Nobody's getting their money. It's not fair. It's not fucking fair. Dude. Ain't nobody getting their fucking money.
Let's leave,
nigga.
Sir. Let's leave, sir.
Why are you doing Kurt Cobain like that, dude? Nobody's getting their money.
Let's leave.
So the fuck am I supposed to get a job? How am I gonna do anything? You're assholes. You're racist. Yes. Put a fake goddamn fucking just
Let's
something.
leave, sir.
So I can give a goddamn money.
Sir, let's
I've been doing
leave.
this shit all day.
Do you want me to call you?
I don't fucking care. You're white boy.
Let's leave.
God damn, nobody fucking cares about you. I know why you want me.
Let's leave.
And I'm good looking too.
Let's leave.
I fucking hate you. I hate all of you fucking white people. Why would they send me an ID with no why?
I'm not sure.
Why? I can't do that. I can't. I'm one man. I'm one man.
Security scared as fuck, too.
No money for nobody. If I can't get shit, ain't nobody get shit. What kind of bullshit is that, bro? That's some fucking horse shit, dog. I've been working my ass off all day. I worked my ass off for this shit.
Sound wild.
Nigga.
Yo, that's all I got on that one, yo. But yo, my question is to y'all is this. What would you do? Check it out. Something deadline, something due. Let's say you got to do a money transaction. This is the last place opens late Saturday, Sunday, whatever, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. This is the last place open. You're online. You've been online. And what you got to do is support. Maybe it has to do something to do with you, your crib, your house, your rent, anything. You might have to get a money order for something. And this dude up here acting wild. And security standing there. He ain't doing shit. What he doing? He ain't do shit. He stood there. He was shook. He broke out. He left. What would you do in a situation like that? Would you be like, yo, son, you can't do that shit? Because I'm trying to get some money too. Because that's what the fuck I would have did. Anyway, let's get right to it. Let's get to this next clip. My bad. Let me straighten this back out for y'all. Let me straighten that back out. Yo, some people could train dogs really good. Dead ass. But training your dog to do this shit right here, what I'm about to show y'all, maybe some of y'all seen it, maybe some of y'all didn't. But shit, let's get right into it, because this shit is wild.
Uy, dinero. Uy, que me lo pegan los huevos eso. Uy. Uy.
This is crazy, man.
Yo no me deja subir la cama.
He got the skateboard. I had to skate my ass up out of here.
Uy, yo lo veo. Uy, sale, por lo veo.
That was a short clip, y'all. But y'all seen that shit? Like, who the fuck trains a dog to do that? Who trains a dog to weld a motherfucking machete? Just think about that for a second. A nice motherfucker. A smart motherfucker. A dangerous motherfucker. Okay? That's what. So let's move on to the next motherfucking clip, because I got some shit here that I'm just looking at. Oh, this one right here is crazy. Let me tell y'all something. Leave these motherfucking animals alone. We gonna go straight from the dog to the cat. Okay? Stop fucking around with these motherfucking animals, you know what I mean? Stay in your lane. Check this shit out. Let's see what we got here.
Es el pelo largo pero fino. Vaya, por favor. Que te cojo la pierna.
Ponle el otro brazo así, dale así.
Vale. ¿Qué tenemos que hacer? Vale. Ay, por favor, me está dando, o sea, que ya. ¿Ya? Es que te coge el brazo entero. No, ya está.
Es que no quiere que se vaya.
Y la pierna.
Ya está, ya.
Los dos vecinos de ahí son más hostiles, ¿no? Bueno, esos no. Sí, ahí no. Vosotros alejados de la cancela.
Hemos dicho que tranquilos, sin tirar cosas. ¿Ya? Sentaditos. Que no muera mañana. Vale.
Me encanta.
Vale, ya, ¿eh?
¿Esto ahora que he hecho seguro?
Por favor.
Nah,
Vale.
¿A quién, Amaya?
Claro, Amaya.
A ver, dámela, por favor.
nah.
Dámela. Ay.
Mi dedo! ¡Mi dedo! Qué
Nah.
dientes, ¿eh?
Nah. Nope. I ain't doing it. I wish I understood Spanish so I could know what they were saying. Actually, both the dog video and the cat video, they was, well, my bad. That wasn't a motherfucking cat. That was Tony. Frosty motherfucking Flakes. Know what I mean? You see how he was getting on her, right? He probably was a male cat trying to get the cat. Yo, let me stop fucking around, man. But serious, man, people need to stay in their lane, man. Fucking with them animals, man. I ain't doing that shit. People going on all types of zoos and shit. Y'all remember back in the days? Well, not really back in the days, but remember the baby fell in the zoo and the gorilla went to protect the baby and they gunned the gorilla down and killed the gorilla. The gorilla was protecting the baby from the other gorillas. And they gunned the gorilla down. That shit was fucked up, yo. You know what I mean? Anyway, you ever wanted to get your boss back? Like, you got boss that just like, yo, he's a stupid motherfucker, yo. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you stupid, yo. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? This shit right here is funny as fuck. It's a quick clip. You know what I mean? Check it out. Let's get right to it. That's the first. Yo, that shit crazy. Yo, he got his ass twice, yo. Come on. Yo, that shit is fucking crazy, yo. Yo, that's all I got for y'all tonight, man. Fucking around with the clips, man. You know what I mean? Yo, I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. But that shit is crazy. Yo, you see how the first time he hit his foot, yo, he took off his shoe and everything. He's like, yo, second time, shit, bam. That thing got fired. Something, man. Oh, man, yo. Anyway, if y'all feeling my vibe, like, comment, subscribe. I'm coming back with another video, too. I ain't done yet. Peace.